Hello. So we're back Friday, and let's fix something, okay? If you remember, let me find the laptop. Yeah, I told you yesterday. I apologize from the yesterday video, but I just placed the video to unlisted, so the subscribers they still can see the video, but not any new viewer. Indeed, that video has a bad sound. It's not, and the problem is not because me. I was pretty calm and have no problem. It's because the way how a compressor works, the audio compressor, it's amplifying any weak audio signal and is limiting any strong audio signal. So that was the issue. So you speak, the sound is normal, but whatever you do on the background, yeah, whatever happened, it will be amplified. And I did ask Diana, Diana, it's. And she said, no, it's not okay to take the video out, and I took it out. I didn't take it out, but it's unlisted, okay? But my mower is working fine. That's what is important. Okay? Good. Let's fix. You know what? Before we are going to the laptop, because we have a hard job laptop which is broken badly, let's fix a TV quickly. Okay? Let me get the TV. The TV is open already. That's how they did send the TV here. So we have this TV and this board. I'm not sure what TV it is. Let me check. It's a Toshiba model 32DL933b. Okay, that's the model. Let me find the cable. Okay. It's no point testing this TV because what you will check first, yeah? What you will check first when you see a board like this? When you see a group of diodes like this, you have 3 diodes. Here you have 2 diodes. Most likely a diode can be dead. So we can check with the multimeter. So let's switch to diode mode. The multimeter is on screen. 0, 0, you can see? So this diode is 0, 0, this diode is 0, 0, this one is 0, 0. Clearly this is short, it's like that, yeah? Those diodes are fine, are not shorted. It's no 0, okay? But how do we know which one it is? You remember? The solution is, I should ask you again, what do you think is faulty on this board? You remember last time? When we can bet actually it's a diode but wasn't a diode. Let's come with the power supply, ground. I'll keep the ground. Let's come with 5 amps here, and we can see we have a short. Now all we have to do is to see which diode is getting hot. And the diode which is getting hot is the first one, this one. Okay, wow, this is hot. Now you know what's the problem? The problem is when you connect components on a parallel mode, the components are like people, they all are different. On a schematic where you connect in a parallel mode, let's say semiconductors like transistors, you always use a resistor to create a balance between the transistors, because each transistor has different amplification and different values, okay? But here you can't really do it, and you have 3 diodes, and I can assure you those diodes are not working the same when they're together. So one diode is working hard compared with the others. So we took that diode out, and now if we are checking this diode is now shorted, This diode is not shorted, so it's not short anymore. Now we can check the TV. Let's plug the TV. So it's like you have 3 friends here. So 2 friends are okay. But the third friend, it's weird. Okay? So I plug the TV. The TV is plugged. Let me see how can I power on. And the TV is on, yeah? And I will show you. Look, you can see the picture on the screen. Let me switch to something. Menu or something. Okay, that's the menu. Okay, so the TV is working fine. There's no problem with the TV. That was the problem. The TV is fixed. If you want to replace the diode, you have to replace with exactly the same diode, and I don't have it. Okay? Now, you have to understand, I can't work against the customer. You understand? I can't do bad work because you have to give warranty, like 3 months warranty. And I promise you, if we have like once, we didn't have, like once a TV come back, let's say with another burned diode, I'll tell you, yeah? And I'll tell you and I say, look, what I'm doing is bad. What I'm doing is not working. Or the TV will come back. But it didn't happen. Even with that one, you remember with the black karma thingy, the TV didn't come back. And the man still use it. So we have this laptop. And it's proper damaged. So we have this bit, we have this one which is totally broken, we have this one, and we have to fix it. That's the problem. So what do we think? We can fix this quickly because, you know, I'm working only up to 12, it's 11, and probably I will leave early by 12 or before 12. So we have to fix it quickly. Okay? Good. Here is straightforward. We can use hot glue. Here, to straight this hinge, I will use the metal frame from the screen. Okay? The laptop is working. The laptop is working. So let's open the laptop quickly and take the hinge out because we really have to take the hinge out. When you design something, and I try to explain you many times, when you design something, so I'm designing that power supply from the laptop, and the laptop, let's say the board need 4 amps. I'll not fit a 5 amps diode. That's crazy. That's insane. You know, I'll fit 3 diodes, so I'm sure they can carry the current, and also they will be cold. Yeah. So everything is built basically to last. In theory, yeah. Actually, they build it just to be sure they are working on the warranty time. How do I open this thingy? Oh, I can't open this. Sure. Should work like that. But probably if I will have like one to come back and say, look, it's coming back with another burn diode, probably I will replace them. But feel free to do it. Yeah. I know. You'll call me dodgy again. I know. But it's Friday. The weekend is here. So we took out the screws. The CD drive, and we have a few more screws. And one more screw here. Oh, I do have to take out the hard drive. Okay. So using the frame of the screen, okay, this looks dodgy, but actually that frame is very solid. It's a metal frame, aluminium. I think we have screws behind of the rubber thingy. No, we don't. Only here. Here it is a screw. So the back cover it's out, but you can see the plastic. It's all like it's not elastic anymore. That's what happened with poor plastic quality. So we have to take out the hinge. And you know what's the issue? Those hinges doesn't have screws, so I cannot lose the hinge. And that's bad. Let's get the screen out. You see the laptop has a lot of plastic pieces. And the Wi-Fi antenna, I seen one my Wi-Fi antenna is broken. But that's not a problem because it has the second one. So basically it will be really no difference. Okay, so that's the laptop. And that's the screen and the hinge. Let's get this out. Okay, let's cut this down. Good. Let's be sure the hinge is screwed here. It is. You see, it has no screw, so I can't lose the hinge. Let's use some petrol to grease the hinge, yeah? Hopefully this will help. Let's see this hinge. Actually, it was my fault with that video because I seen the settings auto audio, and I said okay, so it's adjusting the volume automatically. Was a bad idea. Actually, it was a very bad idea. Okay, good. Okay, let's see first about this part. Yeah, that's important, this one. It's a sticker here. So we cannot use the hot glue on the back of the screen, okay? You can't do it. But we can use on the back of the metal frame, yeah? Yeah, we do have a small problem. But we're about to solve the problem. We have some sticky thing here, but I want the metal. Okay. Actually, I think we can use even the back of the screen. Here is plastic. Fantastic. So first we have to sort the position of this. Give me 1 second. I need another end on the solder iron. So I have my solder iron and I will use another end for the plastic. And I don't have another end, I have new. Okay, I will use that one and then I will change it with another new one. Like that, yeah? I told you this will be a hard one. Let's see. It is straight? Huh? Looks like, yeah? Good. Now let's comb with hot glue. Let's see how we can do it. Because the idea is to use the metal frame here to fix this corner. It's not ideal situation, but that's what we have. And it'll be fine, I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll work fine. Hot glue, like usual. Good. Now let's get the other nozzle. Perfect. Perfect. You see, that's a good bond. Next. Let me sort this wire. I'm working with 500 degrees Celsius, yeah? So you really have to pay attention what you're doing with the hot air. Now let's wait. Let's see about this cable. What's wrong with this cable? And also, yeah, don't forget, it's not only the screen. We are making the sandwich, yeah. So we are using this part and create a sandwich between the bottom plastic and top plastic. Okay, so this is another resistance point, not only the screen, the frame of the screen. I just try to understand why this wire is so long. And what about this cable, the screen cable? Oh, I still don't understand why this cable is longer than normal. Hmm? Perfect now. Let's see about this hinge, yeah? So this hinge is supposed to be like that. So if the hot glue is not working for you, use whatever is working for you, okay? That's the thing. Because everyone has their own thing, how they fix things. And I understand that. This is not a video like, you have to do it like that. It's just about how I'm doing these kind of jobs. Yeah. The cable is not meant to be like that. It has to be here and here. You know how it is, when you look on a video, you don't have to say, yes, that's the right way, because you're not sure if it's the right way or not. Or you look on a video, say, no, that's the wrong way because I know the right way. Yeah, because maybe you are not the right, maybe you are in the wrong. Okay, so always you look on something, whatever you look, and you just, take notice. Okay, good to know, and that's all. It's just the information which can help you or not in the future. So the hinge has to be like that. This one is fantastic. It's better than I thought. And this one we have a problem because I can't do any sandwich here. This corner is missing. Okay. So it's not that great, but we have to do it. Do you think I will do hot glue hinge repair job if it's not working? No. Because you have to give warranty and the customer come back, that's not good. You have to work one more time. Which you mean you spend one more time to fix the thing. Time for what you are not paid. So it's not good. So you have to be sure the job is done well. Okay, let's feed the hinge. Now we have to heat up the hinge. You remember about bonding, what I told you about bonding? So in order to have the metal bond with the hot glue, you have to heat it. And I'm working only with 500 degrees Celsius, just to be here, to be sure I get everything, you know, melted and be sure it's bonding. Just to be sure it's bonding, yeah. Hey! 23 past 11. Diana is here, ready for shopping. Yeah, it's the shopping day. Friday. We have to do shopping for weekend. Hmm. Give me 1 second. Okay, now let's feed the frame. Okay, this will not gonna stay there. So let's use hot glue to fix it. Good. Now let's see about this one. This one will be tricky, yeah? So that's the second time when you have to melt, to heat up the hinge. Because you have to stick this piece, yeah? Let's stick it here first. And the thing is, if you want to open again the screen, it's so easy. Yeah? So it's not like if you use hot glue you can't open. If you use something else, then yeah, you'll have a problem. Okay, let's heat up the thingy. Let's fill up here with hot glue where it's missing the plastic. Okay, when this is dry, we can start with the next one, with the other one, and we are nearly finished. Nearly finished. Otherwise, what do you have to buy? Yeah? You have to buy 2 hinges, because both hinges they have the metal till the top broken. Yeah, so you buy 2 hinges. You buy the front bezel and the back thingy, and you spend another hour to replace them, and you earn nothing because they are expensive. That's the things with the hinge. How much you think the customer it will pay for a laptop old like this? This is a old laptop, old, for like 6 7 years. Oh, it's here. You see, perfect, shiny, nice. If you'll use something else, let's say like epoxy, because we use before the hot glue, we use epoxy like many years ago, like 8 years ago. So you use epoxy, whatever is wrong, maybe you have to replace the screen, maybe your cable just, you know, jump out. You can't open it, and you face a problem. When you have to buy the new everything new, like everything. But with hot glue, easily you can heat it up to 100 degrees, and it'll come out easily. Everything. Let's see here what we have to do. So we have to do the same thing. Yeah. 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 So here it's okay. It's still warm, but it's fine. Let's see here. We need a little bit more hot glue. Let me get the nozzle. It's hot. Nearly perfect. We have a little bit of hot glue on the screen, but we can take it easily out. Perfect. Look how nice is the feeling here. How we feel it with hot glue is like original. So let's wait for this hinge to get dry and we can put it back together to the laptop, yeah? I think we should be fine. Okay, so here is perfect. Okay, just we need to put the screws back. Okay, now the cable, the screen cable. The connector is back. Good, everything is on place. The Wi-Fi antenna. Let's plug the black one in the main. The white one is not working anyway. It doesn't need. It will work great with one antenna. The back cover. Let's put the hinge screws, yeah? And check if it's coming on and everything is fine. I can't play yet because the hot glue is still warm here on the back. It's probably around 70 degrees. But let's test it because we can test it. I do have here a Samsung charger. Yeah, it's no hard drive, but everything is fine, yeah? It's no hard drive. So I think we can put it all back together. So what do you think? I'm just curious, did you try before? Because obviously this it's just a video. You don't have to do it the same. But I'm just curious how many of you tried and yeah, it is working. Or how many tried and okay, the hot glue is not working. Because I do have emails, people telling me, sorry, and I tried. I bought hot glue, I bought the gun for hot glue, but with the gun it will not work. That gun it will not heat up the hot glue, and the way the hot glue it will bond with anything, with plastic, metal. So you really have to use the hot air. Hot air max temperature, which here is like 500 degrees Celsius. Yeah. You have this one, but this one is broken. The thing is broken, so I can't use it. I can't use the screw there. So how much we spend? 1 hour? Wow. Exactly 1 hour without 2 minutes. Still warm, but let's see. Perfect. Perfect. So it's no problem. I'm sure it will work great. Yeah. All you have to do is to feel a little bit here. Here it's like it's weird. So here is perfect. You can see it's like it's filled, like it's nice white. But here is just empty space. Yeah. Well, let's feel here. Beautiful. Okay. So please just take everything, not like wrong or right. Yeah, just take like, okay, I'll keep in mind, because otherwise, you start having feelings. If you think I'm wrong, you leave me a comment. Okay, you're wrong. It will not work. It's dodgy. Okay. If I'm right, you'll say, okay, you're right. I'll do it the same, and he's wrong. If you say like that, he's wrong. So you have to see what is working for you, not what is working for me. Yeah, what is working for you. So take this, like any content of from my channel, just take it like, okay, that's good to know. That's all. Okay, and everyone is happy. In this case, the customer will be happy. Okay, so everything is perfect. We can test it with the hard drive. And it's not like suddenly, sorry, and start using hot glue and it's making experiments. We are doing this for like 8 years, so we know already it's working great every time. We know how many jobs we have like in 8 years. Probably, let's say, like 10 jobs where the hinge is very small and it's on very end of the back. I think there's some Asus laptop, like nice shiny Asus laptop, not very old, and that one we have problems because the hinge is so small. The hinge is like that, yeah, and it's long, and it's exactly on the bottom, and the pressure it's enormous there. Even the hot glue can't manage. But they come back. We try. I think we fix it again, and I don't remember. But yeah, can happen. But it's a very rare case when we made a job with hot glue and come back. So we have backlight but no picture. Let's see what's going on there. Maybe it's loading the Windows. It's a mechanical hard drive, so it can take a while to load. I don't have a hard drive LED to see the activity. Anyway, the Windows is now our problem. Our problem was the hinge. So if it's a Windows issue, that's something else. It's loading the window so you can see the wheel. And the hinge is solid. Okay, so I'll stop this video. The laptop is still loading the windows. And I would say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And have a great weekend. Okay? Bye.